Hi everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to access a hidden service menu on modern Samsung Smart TVs and how to use its basic features. I also show you factory default settings for the RU7100, 7200 and 7400 models. In the service menu you can calibrate the colors of your screen, run diagnostic tools, enable or disable some extra features, and basically get access to the settings which are not available through the user menu. So let's get started. First of all, turn off your TV. Next, you need to press the following sequence of buttons: Info, Settings, or Menu, depends on the remote control, then press Mute, and finally turn on your TV. It takes some time for the menu to appear, and here it is. So, before we go any further into the menu, I want to warn you that you can easily damage your TV in here. So don't modify any settings and its values unless you know what you're doing, okay? I'm gonna start with the basic features which people ask me the most. I almost forgot to mention, we'll use these 6 buttons to navigate through the menu. Let's go to Option. So, the factory reset option will restore your TV to its original factory settings, as if you've just turned it on for the first time. In MRT option, you can disable your network adapters. Eco sensor, Bluetooth, and here you can change your screen resolution. In the production option, you can change resolution of the screen mirroring, or completely disable this feature. So if your neighbors are trying to connect to your TV, just set this option to off. Now let's go to the SVC option, which allows you to test the main components of your device. And in the test pattern, you can test your screen. You can use any of these 5 patterns. Okay, now let's go into the info option. The factory entry number shows the number of entries into the service menu. And here you can see the history of changes you've made. This is the mileage of your panel, basically usage hours. It's a very useful feature, especially if you want to buy a used or refurbished TV, so you can check its real condition. And finally, if you select SVC info, you'll see the model and the serial number of your TV, some software information, and the display time in minutes. To exit from the service menu, simply turn off your TV. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, leave them below in the comment section. Next I'll go through the whole menu and show you the original settings, just in case if you messed up something.